I will create a function, create signature, which accepts 3 arguments: header, which is a string, secret, which is also a string, and a payload, which is another string. And inside the function, I will return a call to the create hash mark with SHA-256 as the hashing algorithm, and then we will add the secret and chain a call to the update method to update the hash with the header and the payload and digest it into a base 64 string. I will create another function, sign, which accepts 2 arguments: secret, which is a string, and payload, which is of type payload. Inside the function, I will create a variable, header, which is of type header. The algorithm property will be HS256 and the type will be JWT. Then I will create an encoded property, which is equal to the result of calling buffer.from JSON.stringify with the header and converting it into a base 64 string. I will also encode the payload just the same way we did to the encoded header, and then I will create a new variable, signature, which is equal to the result of calling the create signature function and passing in the encoded header as the first argument. The secret becomes the second argument and the encoded payload becomes the last argument. Finally, I return a string that contains the encoded header, then a period, followed by the encoded payload, followed by a period, and then the encoded signature. I will test this out by calling the sign function with test1234 as the key, and then a random object with an underscore id property as the payload, and console logging the results out to the terminal. I can see that we get back the JWT string. Now, let's see how we can decode